Hi you guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel, and I want to share with you guys an amazing deal that Stitch Fix sent over to me. I was contacted by Stitch Fix and they really enjoyed my last try-on haul, and they're offering you guys a really special deal. They're offering you guys $50 in Stitch Fix credit for free when you use my link below. So all you need to do is sign up for your first box, and then you're going to get $50 in credit. So $20 of that covers the styling fee, and then you'll get an additional $30 to apply to the box. So in total, you'll be able to get something for $50, and then anything else that you spend over, you would have to pay for out of pocket. But this is fantastic, you guys. So this is for today and tomorrow only. So definitely take advantage of this deal. Thank you so much, Stitch Fix, for this amazing offer. One of the #1 things that I hear from you guys is the cost of Stitch Fix. Now you have nothing to lose if you're getting free $50. So let me know in the comment section below if you sign up, and I want to see what you guys get for your fix, and I'll have my last Stitch Fix video below if you want to learn a little bit more about it. So I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.